Once again, we'd like to welcome you aboard JetBlue Flight 224 with service to New York's JFK on our plane named Menta Azul. My name is Allison, and it's my pleasure flying with Demina, Emily, and Diego. Our captain today is Richard Silverstein, and he'll be assisted by First Officer Ashley Pepper. Captain has advised us that our estimated flight time to New York is a quick 4 hours and 35 minutes. Your safety is our top priority, so we appreciate a few minutes of your attention while we demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. You can follow along with the safety information card in your seat back pocket. Federal aviation regulations require your compliance with all crew member instructions, lighted information signs, and posted placards. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the flat metal end into the buckle and pull on the strap to tighten. To release, lift the top flap of the buckle. Please keep your seatbelt fastened sewn tight across your lap even when the seatbelt sign is off, and have your seatbelt visible to the crew at all times. Your life vest is in a pouch under your seat or in a console between seats. If instructed by the crew, retrieve the vest by pulling the tab to open the pouch, move the vest and pull it over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist. Secure the buckle and pull the strap to tighten. As you exit the aircraft, inflate the vest by pulling down firmly on the red tabs or blowing into the tubes on both sides. A locator light on the shoulder will turn on automatically in water. Never inflate your vest inside the aircraft. This Airbus A321 has 8 emergency exits, 2 doors in the front, 4 doors mid-cabin, and 2 doors in the back. Each door is equipped with an evacuation slide. The sides, the front, and the back of the aircraft can be detached and used as rafts. An additional raft is located in the last left overhead bin. All exits are clearly marked with a sign overhead. If necessary, floor-level lighting will illuminate the aisle to help you find the exits. In the event of an emergency, leave all personal belongings and proceed to the nearest exit. Please take a moment now to locate your closest exit and remember it might be behind you. If there is a change in cabin pressure, 4 oxygen masks will drop from overhead. Firmly pull a mask toward you to start the flow of oxygen. Remove your face covering, place the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth, pull the elastic band around your head, and tighten using straps on both sides. Even though the bag may not inflate, oxygen will be flowing. Be sure to put your mask on first before helping others to let you know when it's no longer needed. We will be passing to the cabin to make sure we are ready for departure. You can help us by making sure your seatbelt is fastened, seat back is upright, tray table is stowed, and all carrying items are put away. If you have any questions on the safety features of this aircraft, please don't hesitate to ask. Smoking, including the use of electronic cigarettes or vaporizers, is never allowed on a JetBlue flight. Tampering with, disabling, or destroying smoke detectors in aircraft restrooms is a federal offense and could result in a fine. This aircraft has 4 restrooms, 1 in the front of the cabin, 1 mid-cabin, and 2 in the back. Each is equipped with an infant changing table. To avoid crowding in the aisle, please wait at your seat until a restroom is available. We're proud to let you know this flight is carbon neutral and will offset the CO2 from the fuel used for all our domestic flights to reduce the impact on our climate. All of our planes are equipped with free high-speed Wi-Fi. If you have a Wi-Fi enabled device, just connect to the Wi-Fi network. Then be sure to type in www.wifi.com into your browser window and follow the prompts to log in. Making calls of any type on a flight is prohibited, including the use of video conferencing services and Wi-Fi calling. Thanks to our partnership with Amazon, let's next you can sign into your Amazon Prime account or start a free trial to stream movies, TV shows, and music, and earn JetBlue points when you shop as a JetBlue member while in flight. You can also find entertainment listings and other info about today's flight on the Wi-Fi Hub or on the JetBlue app. Please note the Wi-Fi signal will not be available outside our coverage area. However, entertainment content will still be available on the Wi-Fi Hub at www.wifi.com. Your personal touchscreen TV has free entertainment on demand, so you can start, pause, rewind movies and TV shows throughout the entire flight. If you have a handheld device with Wi-Fi capabilities, you can also enjoy free TV shows, magazines, and more, both in and out of coverage on the Wi-Fi Hub. Just type www.wifi.com into your browser window. You'll be adjusted to the in-cabin lights for departure. If needed, there is a reading light above your seat. Thanks for your attention, and we hope you enjoyed the JetBlue